So guys, I'm here at CES at Samsung. Excuse the loudness of the noise. First impressions here of all of their new devices and everything that they've just recently announced. So this here is an awesome room. Have a look at that. And I'm gonna go through that door right down there and we're gonna check out some of the great new products and new technology innovations that Samsung have been creating. Come on, let's go take a look. So this is a new AI picture mode. Well, it's really, really awesome. Whenever you can see the difference there, you can even see here on the right side that how the picture is far more vibrant as well. This is because of the new Micro RGB Color Booster Pro. And it makes such a big difference, as you can see right here. It can upscale content into a 4K experience with 128 AI neural networks. This is amazing how this is working. So yeah, it's crazy to see. You can see this, how much clearer it here is on the right side here compared to the left side. It is amazing. But then the technology evolves even more with AI sports. What's absolutely amazing. You can actually turn on like an AI soccer mode, what's absolutely awesome. You can also do things like mute out the commentary if you don't want to do that. Or you could do it the other way around as well. If you just want to hear the game and you don't want to actually, you just want to just hear the commentary, but you don't want to actually hear the background noise, you can get rid of that too. It's a really, really amazing thing that's coming along now with Samsung TVs. And all you just have to do is just talk to the remote and it just works. Something else that Samsung are showing off is their new glare-free technology. And you can see the difference here. On the left side is like a normal kind of AMOLED LED. And you can see like at the top here, if I get my finger, can you see up there? You can see like the glare of the light hitting here. We've also got some other little lights and lamps. But if you look here then, on the likes of the right-hand side, on this TV right here, you can see there is nothing here. There is no glare. This is something I need in my home. I'm definitely gonna say that because in my home, I've got like south-facing in the northern hemisphere, so I get light hitting my TV all the time. But you can see this is very similar to like the kind of like nanotechnology, nanotexture like what Apple do, like on their sort of MacBook Pros and iPad Pros. And this is definitely a great technology that Samsung are now pushing out to their top OLED TVs. And you can even see the clarity here is amazing. There's not much difference in it whatsoever. I'm looking at both of these screens, and obviously with that, even that kind of texture on the screen, I cannot really tell the difference whatsoever here. So great job, Samsung, on this one. So guys, I managed to get my hands on it. This here is the new Galaxy Z Fold. Go for it. Yeah, I've got some assistance here. Have a look at that. This here is a full 10-inch display. And the thing I love about this is like how you can fold it. And then obviously you do have your screen on the front. What I love about this, I'm going to show you on the side, is that obviously you're fully protecting the screen. There's some other companies out there, like Huawei, for example, they have the screen here where you could damage it. So it's fully protected. This is something that's amazing on here. Now, my thing, what I love about this phone, I've just saw it demoed, is that if you go into YouTube and let's say if you watch some content, let's just try this. This here is definitely my favorite ability. If I can just move it up a little bit there, is that, can you see we don't have as much big borders on the top and also on the bottom there? That to me is a big win here. Because on the Galaxy Z Fold 7, for example, you actually get a screen, what I'd probably say is very similar when you're watching content to like the Galaxy S25 Ultra. So with this having as a larger display here, this definitely does this. It's also super thin too. I believe this is even thinner than what you get with a Galaxy Z Fold 7 here on the top. And overall, when you actually push it all together, you're getting about a 12-inch display, well, sorry, 12 millimeter, I should say, thickness just over that there. What's absolutely incredible for what you're getting. But just closing it up here as well, I'm doing it wrong. It's telling me off, it vibrates. But on the back here, you've also got some great cameras. You have that famous Samsung 200 megapixel sensor here. You also have an ultra wide and also a wide here. You could do like your 10 times zoom. And then on the front, you do have your standard 6.5-inch display for everyday kind of use and things like that. Holding it in my hand, it does not feel heavy at all. It does feel slightly heavier than the Galaxy S25 Edge or an iPhone 17 Pro Max, but not by much. I love it that you've got the stereo speakers, top and bottom here, but overall, I think that Samsung have absolutely smashed it here with this. I absolutely love this. And you guys in America, you're gonna get this in Q1 2026. So look out for it. So moving along, this is another one of Samsung's new innovations this year. This here is calling the Moving Style. And this is a bit different. This is actually a device that you can take around your house with you. That is Samsung's idea. I'll just show you the back here. You've got a handle on the back, so you can twist it, take it with you. You could even stand it up over there. There's another one there, so you could have it like to play music, have your music lyrics come up or your music sheets come up. You can also use it as just a monitor as well. You can also use it for, connecting up to TV and things like this. It's a screen that you could just take around the house wherever you want it. It is like a universal TV screen, except for not being a TV. It's also touch sensitive as well, so you can touch on it and things like this. So yeah, it's a very different experience here. So you can see we could do loads of different sort of things. We can even go back to the home here. We've got Tizen built in. So you get the idea here. We can even watch things. We can do all sorts. We can get our health. We can, stream things. It is great. It's a very, very different kind of experience. You can even make it just a wall art picture here. We've also got gaming abilities built in here. All the different best apps out there to stream. You get the idea here. This is something that's very, very different on this kind of device. It's something like this, what you wanted around your house. We've even got Apple TV. Check that out too. Samsung have also introduced some new sound speakers as well. So just like what you can see right here, this one here is actually a wall speaker. It was pretty cool what you have here. This is a new music studio. And they partnered them up with Owen Boralik. I'm probably saying it wrong there, but you've got different speakers that could sit on your shelf with some really, really, really cool designs and everything.
I love the colors.
So it's really, really nice. You've got different colors that you can pick from, different designs, and it is absolutely amazing. Definitely something very different from Samsung, what I absolutely love here. Now, this is something crazy to have a look at. This here is a 140-inch micro-LED TV screen. And what makes this different is, have a look at the side. Can you see that? You actually got the screen going around the actual side. It's pretty cool on that one. So it bends into its surroundings and things like this. So you can have the light glowing out. There we go. That's a better example there. If you can see the moon, you can see here. That is pretty cool. You've got the cityscape. It bends right round. This is something that's really, really awesome. And it's micro LED, but to be honest, the quality of it is almost OLED quality. It's absolutely amazing. But 140-inch TV. That's my hand away from the camera. But the quality on this is amazing. This is definitely the largest TV that I have definitely seen in a very, very long time. And it's absolutely, truly awesome here. So moving on, we also have Samsung's new robot here, Vacuum. It's absolutely amazing, this one is. This is one to look out for. It's got some great features like AI object and liquid recognition built into this. So it can actually recognize what type of liquid. And so with that, for example, if it knows you've spilt coffee, it knows how much kind of heat it needs to apply to get rid of the coffee stain and things like this. It's also got other bits and pieces. It can climb up to 60mm high up on mats here. It's just actually just done that here. I'll just show you. Here, it's gonna bounce off the wall. There's another one here. Here we go. It's gonna drop back down again, but it can actually bounce up on that. It was pretty impressive. Let's see if it does it again. Here. Is it gonna go do it again? Oh, there we go. It's raising itself up. And there we go. Bounces up there. That is pretty cool to have. So if you actually have in your house some different sort of levels, maybe you've got a rug or a carpet and you go back down to a flat floor, this is absolutely amazing to actually have right here. It also, you might have just saw it here with this robot over here. He's now gone back to sleep to have a little charge. But you might have seen that his rollers come out, so he can actually go around corners as well, which is pretty impressive. And the suction power on this is super, super impressive. In fact, it can actually do up to 10 watts of suction power actually on this one. And it's so strong, it can actually lift up a 10-kilogram weight here. I'm gonna see if I can get this to work here for me. Let's see if it can do that. No, it's not going to do it. You're going to have to just trust me, guys, that it can actually lift that up. Oh, there we go. Now it's doing it. Here we go. See, it can actually pull up a 10 kilogram in a space here. That is absolutely amazing in its performance. So that shows how much power is going on here to suck up, any kind of debris on your carpets, on your flat surfaces, or anything like that. There we go. That is super impressive. That is. I really, really like that. But not only that, we've also got the mop here as well. It goes up to 100 degrees here, Celsius in steam. Forgive me, I don't know what that is in Fahrenheit. I'm definitely British here, so you can tell. But yeah, this is absolutely amazing what you've actually got here. This will definitely get rid of those stains. Also as well, it's not just that, it's also getting rid of bacteria as well, especially with it being so hot on the ground with that. So yeah, this is really, really going to help out here. Also, as you can see right here, no detergent is needed. It reduces unpleasant odors to keep the mop hygienic too. And obviously when it goes back to its base, it cleans it all up at the same time. So this is super impressive. Now, next of all, this is something super impressive to see. This is transparent micro LED. You know how we just saw that massive 140-inch TV a second ago? Well, this here is transparent. You can see it goes right through to life. If I twist my camera, can you see? It's really, really impressive, and the clarity is super great here. Personally, in my opinion, I can't think of too many scenarios what I would actually use it in right now. But you've got to admit, it is pretty cool how this is working. The clarity is working super well. You've got some different example scenarios here. We've got like this long kind of fish tank kind of idea, like a long one there. We've even got like a cube up there. There's that 140-inch TV behind it. But you can see how that is working there. So this is super impressive what Samsung are innovating on here. So overall, I am super impressed what's been shown from Samsung. Sorry about the light here, but yeah, it's really, really great to see how Samsung have innovated. Lots of new AI features. It was great to try out the trifold new phone. I also loved the new OLED display with that anti-glare as well. And I love so many other things here today as well. It's been great to see what Samsung are bringing. Now, obviously, as the week goes on, I'm going to give you even more CES coverage. There's going to be lots of new great videos coming out. So make sure you definitely check those out. So the best thing you can do right now is make sure you subscribe to this channel and also hit that notification bell. But if you've also enjoyed watching the video, please also do press the like button. And until next time, guys, I will see you really soon. Take care. Bye-bye.